Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about just.me. It is an import review option where you can leave your review on your product after purchasing the product. So I'm going to review this, how you can import your reviews on Shopify platform. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we already set up our Shopify store. This is our Shopify store. In here, if I click over here, then you are allowed to visit our Shopify interface. It is the home page where we can easily do whatever design we want. We are allowed to customize it. So but the main thing is we don't have any product reviews here, so it does not build any, like I can say, any trust. Like customer will has some trust issue after watching this, because you will find out that there is no such a review why I should buy this one. So let's, for this one, we need some reviews over that place. So I will visit that place on the apps. Once I click over here, I will just click on apps and sales channel setting. Just click over here, and here I will visit on Shopify app store. Just click over here. Once I click over here, it will redirect me to that place where I am allowed to search this option. Like it's a platform like Play Store or Apple Store where you can easily search your apps here and integrate it with your Shopify store and make your product or make your store more attractive towards your customers. So I'm going to search and then just click over here, hit the enter button. Once I click over here, and then you will get that we have two options, that's called just.me Ali reviews importer, and also another one is add just.me product app review app. So first of all, I'm going to upload this one to my store. I'm going to click on this, then I will install it. Once I install it, then it will take a while to upload in my Shopify store. Then I will just click on install. Once I click over here, it will take a while to install it, and then I just need to wait a while again, and then eventually you can see our just.me review has been installed. So here they are asking for setup. So now I'm going to set up it for my Shopify store. That for a reason I'm going to click on start setup. Once I click over here, it will give me option to enable app embedded. Just click over here and it will redirect you to that page, and here you will get the option for enable these apps on your Shopify store. It already has been enabled here, so I just need to go over here and click on save. Once I click over here, now if I check this page, now you can see our app enabled perfectly. So they are asking for install review widget. Just click over here. Similarly, you need to be add one of them widget in your product page, so this way you are allowed to install it. So here you can see the review widget has been added. So now you can see any customer who purchased the product can leave a review over that place. So this is the perfect panel for me, for my client. So I'm going to click on save, and then again I will visit that place, and here you can see widget block has been installed and install star rating. Just click over here. Again, the process is all of them are similar, and you just need to be follow this one by one. So again, you will come that place, and here you can see. So I'm going to click on save. Okay, let's go over here and review widget. Just find out where is the option. Let's go over here, and we have star rating option, and then you can see we have this star review. I'm going to place it in that place, so it will look good for me. I don't think that in the bottom it would be perfect. I think this will be good in here. And also I'm going to remove this one, remove, and now eventually you can see it looks really nice. So I'm going to click on save, and now if I visit that place again and click over here, and it will be installed. As you can see, widget block installed, and if you want to change the color, you are allowed to change it. It's totally up to you. I'm going to click on and click on finish, and as you can see, all done. So you can explore just.me if you need it. So here you can see we don't have any request sent or reviews over that place. We just initially install just.me for our platform. Now people can easily review or paste their review on our website. But the main thing is how we can upload or import reviews from a platform. So here you can see this will be the main apps for our website. So I'm going to click on install and let's visit on AliExpress. And here you can see this is AliExpress. So I need to find out something related to my products, headphones, Bluetooth, and I need to be click on install. So I am doing my both works in same time. So here I'm going to click on that place, and I think here some have some reviews. So I just want to import this review on my Shopify store. So it already been installed. So you can see that just AliExpress has been installed. So I'm going to import reviews. The process is really smooth and simple. So you just give them a time to reload it. So once the reloading has been complete, now you can import your reviews over here. Just click over here, review, then you need to be find out Shopify product, no result found. So I need to be search by product title, head, and it will give us some suggestion. Just click over here, AliExpress product URL. So I'm going to copy this URL and paste it here, and then you can see import reviews. So the process is really simple. View progress. So here you can see you need to be paste it here. Let's go over here and find out another one who's have some more reviews than compared to this one. So find out, let's go over here and find out something further more who has more reviews. Let's click over here. Yeah, let's find out. It has 64 reviews, so I'm going to import this one. So go come to this place and import it for, click on import reviews, and now you can see the import progress. So click this panel, just me.reviews, and here you will find out these reviews. Here you can see all our review has been imported in that place. So let's go on to our store and let's go over that place, click on exit, leave page, and now eventually we need to visit our store and we will find out our headshot reviews on this panel. So check this out one by one. Yeah, you can see excellent headphone, fast delivery, I recommended the store, thank you very much to seller. Let's go another one, find out another one over here. Yeah, we don't have, so come that place again. Yes, you can see how easy the process was. I hope you learned many things from this video. If you found out this video is really helpful for you and knowledgeable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you have any question related to this video, I will suggest you to watch this video from the beginning to the end again and again. Then you will get whole procedure, how I import it, how I did it. I hope you love this video. If you have any question related to this video, just ask me on the comment box, I will answer it. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. I will catch you in the next video.